Ever plugged your phone in at night only to wake up to a dead battery? It's a frustrating moment, but before you rush to buy a new device, the fix might be much simpler than you think. Most charging issues aren't caused by a dying battery. Instead, they often stem from external factors like damaged cables or dirty ports. Start with the most common culprit, your equipment. Charging cables go through constant wear and tear, and internal wires can fray even if the outer plastic looks perfect. Try swapping your cable or switching your wall adapter. If your adapter feels excessively hot, it likely has a hardware fault and needs replacing. Next, consider where your phone lives. Pockets and bags are full of lint and dust. Every time you plug it in, you're compressing debris into the port. Eventually, this prevents a solid electrical connection. To fix this, use a non-conductive tool like a wooden toothpick. Gently scrape the corners, but never use metal objects like paper clips, as these can short out the pins. Sometimes the software is simply confused. A forced restart often resets the power controller and gets things moving again. Also, check your settings. If your phone stops at 80%, it's likely a health feature designed to extend battery life. Usually, a quick clean and a fresh cable are all you need to stay powered up.